What's good, guys? Tay here, back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Jack Huston and his new product, Work at Home, Secrets and Scams. And I'm going to be letting you know whether this ebook of his is worth getting and whether it can help you make money online in 2020. So with that being said, let's jump into my computer and get started.
But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it.
Alright guys, as I mentioned, Jack Huston is back with another digital product online called Work at Home Secrets and Scams. Alright, this is an ebook, and I typically don't do ebooks, alright, but there is something that comes along with this ebook that I think you might find very useful. So stick around for this video because I'm going to cover the ebook real quickly, and then I'm going to actually go into what you get with the ebook. And like I said, this is something that I think you might find very, very useful. All right. So for those of you who don't know Jack Huston showed up a few years ago making his rounds on the internet because he's made millions of dollars online as an affiliate marketer. He had the internet jet set, which evolved into the super affiliate, and these were online courses that broke down how you can make money online as an affiliate marketer. All right, now his product does evolve, so he always brings something new to the table each year. So I believe he has, with his super affiliate system, he has a new update coming soon. So I'll make sure I cover that when it becomes available. But for now, we're going to cover what you get with this ebook. Okay. So again, name of the book is Work at Home Secrets and Scams. Okay. And he's partnered with Chris Hansen with that. And, you know, Chris Hansen is the guy who goes and investigates things. If you've never heard of him. So with this book, he goes over affiliate marketing because that's his thing, but he also covers some things that don't work. You know, scams that you see on the internet that people are losing thousands of dollars over. Okay, and this is something that they cover, and they cover the right way to go about doing affiliate marketing and making money online. So here's the sales page. All right, just take a real quick look at it. All right, and he goes into information about himself and how much money he makes, okay? So I'm not going to go too deep into that, but what I will do is I will show you the ebook itself, all right? And I'm not going to go too much into the ebook. I will show you what you get with it. So here's the table of contents, okay? So he talks briefly about himself. Then he goes right into the top 8 work-from-home scams, all right? The secrets of scammers and how they make so much money with these scam opportunities that they put out there. Okay, then he shares with you some legit work from home opportunities. Okay, then he goes into affiliate marketing, why it's the most lucrative. He shows you how to use social media. He talks about Instagram and Quora, which is something that a lot of marketers are using. So it's good to learn about Quora and how you can leverage that as an affiliate marketer. Then it talks about finding your niche with Google. Okay. Then they talk about LinkedIn. This is something that a lot of people are talking about now because LinkedIn has added some new tools and features to their platform. And again, that's another lucrative way to market yourself or to promote as an affiliate marketer. Okay, then they just give you some final thoughts. And like I said, let me back up, right? This I find important when you have ebooks and things like that. It's good for you to write down your goals and your objectives because you need to have detailed and proper goals if you want to become successful. I actually have a course on Skillshare where it gives you a big business plan and you fill out section by section by section, okay, just so you can have a detailed plan to take action on and to increase your chances of success. And this is important because you really need to have something like this written down so that you're not losing yourself in the process. Because when it comes to running your own business, sometimes things can get overwhelming and you kind of just shut down and you're like, forget this, and you'll give up or you'll just stop, and sometimes you need something that will help you and to remind you what you're doing it for and what your goals are, or to put you back on the right path, because you've got so many things on the internet that that are distracting you and dragging you in another direction, and it could be easy for you to get lost along the way. So having everything written down is very important. It's something that you really need to do. Okay. So again, it goes into the different chapters or whatever. All right. And, you know, I already mentioned what those chapters were. So you can see it's a big, lengthy book, plenty of images, and they give you plenty of examples. All right. And this is basically what you get with the ebook. Okay. So, as I mentioned, the ebook isn't necessarily the main draw of this program. The main draw is actually what you get when you purchase this ebook. And before I continue, the ebook is only $1. That's right. This ebook is only $1. It's not expensive at all. You can save on a snack or a coffee or something like that and get this ebook. Okay, so you don't have to worry about spending thousands of dollars, because his super affiliate or his internet jet set programs were very, very expensive. This right here, not expensive at all. All right. So getting back on track here, the main draw isn't the actual ebook, is what you get with the ebook. And what you get with the ebook is his internet jet set training series. Okay. So with this training series, every week they give you a new video teaching you how to make money online using various methods. Now, the videos with Jack Huston is about affiliate marketing, but he's going to bring in somebody every week to teach you how to make money online using different methods across the internet that work. Okay. So far, you can see that there are 6 of these videos, and you can see 3 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. Okay. These are lengthy, in-depth videos that will teach you how to make money online. Okay. Now, with that $1, you will get access to this website for a month, and then it's going to go up to about $40 a month. But again, I believe every week they're going to add a new video, a new training. Okay. Now, me personally, I like these type of websites and programs like Learn and Legendary Marketer, and the reason is because not all of us want to become affiliate marketers. Right now, most people do start out as affiliate marketers and then they branch out to do other things. All right. But not everybody wants to be an affiliate marketer. Some people want to do Amazon FBA. Some people want to do e-trading. Okay. Just the different things that ebooks, selling books on Amazon. Just all these different things. There's so many different ways to make money online. And personally, I don't like trapping people into one method, because there are multiple ways to make money online. So platforms like Learn and Legendary Marketer and this Internet Jet Set series, where you can learn different ways to make money online and home in on the one that you actually want to do and pursue that. It gives you the option. Okay. And that's what I like. Again, this is in its beginning stages. It's not as well developed as Legendary Marketer or Learn, but it's in the beginning stages. And right now, it's a great way to capitalize on something that's so early in its stages, because it's only going to cost you $1. You get a month, you get 6 videos, and you'll probably, by the time if you get this, it'll be about 4 or 5 videos that you'll get for that $1 before you have to pay the $40 a month. Okay, but for $1, you're getting tons of training. Okay, you're getting an education, and that's what's important, the education. Okay, you don't want any stupid one-click, super done for you program, because the truth is they work for maybe the first couple hundred or maybe the first couple thousand people. Okay, but these are people using the same system, using the same thing, putting out the same exact thing. Okay, and people are going to see the same exact thing over and over and over again. They're just going to ignore it and they're going to skip it. All right, so why not learn how to build your business online the right way? Okay, yes, it takes longer. Yes, it's going to take a lot more work, but the end result is that you'll have a properly built business that will make you money. Okay, so for $1, I would highly suggest you check this out. It's only $1. Okay, and if you don't like it, just make sure you cancel before the 30 days are up. Okay, because then they'll charge you about $40 a month. But again, for that $40 a month to get access to his Internet Jet Set training series, you're getting a new training every week. And that's not bad. So I'll leave a link to this down below if you want to go ahead and check it out. That's all I have for today's video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and share this out with anybody who you think might find this video useful. Subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care.